In this video, we will show how to quickly replace the battery in your Multi-Mic Plus. Locate the screw on the back cover. Using a Torx screwdriver, carefully remove the screw. Take off the battery cover. Lift out the battery using the tab and disconnect the cable plug. Connect the new battery and place it securely into the device. Close the battery cover. Insert and tighten the screw. Your Multi-Mic Plus is now ready to use.